Your legs should feel stronger after a full night's rest. But for many seniors, mornings bring weakness, stiffness, or even cramps that seem to get worse over time. You might think this is just part of aging, but the truth is, certain nighttime habits are silently draining your strength while you sleep. The good news? With just a few simple changes before bed, you can restore circulation, protect your muscles, and wake up feeling steadier and stronger. In today's video, we're revealing the 3 hidden night habits that secretly weaken your legs, and how to fix them starting tonight. Stick around, because these insights could make a real difference in your mobility and independence. Before we get started, let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more health-boosting tips. First, let's talk about one of the most overlooked nighttime mistakes: going to bed without drinking enough water. It might seem harmless, but dehydration overnight is one of the fastest ways to weaken your legs and leave you waking up tired, stiff, and cramp-prone. Here's why. When your body lacks fluids, your blood becomes thicker. Thickened blood moves more slowly, reducing circulation to your legs. This means your muscles are starved of oxygen and nutrients during the very hours when repair and recovery should be happening. Instead of waking up refreshed, you wake up with aching muscles, poor balance, and sometimes even painful cramps. Why is this especially concerning for seniors? As we age, our sense of thirst naturally declines, making dehydration much more common. Medications like diuretics for blood pressure can make the problem even worse by flushing out water and electrolytes. Seniors often go to bed slightly dehydrated without realizing it, and by morning the damage has already been done. Muscles feel heavier, and legs lose some of their strength and stability. The fix is surprisingly simple. Drink a small glass of water with electrolytes about 30 minutes before bed. Not a large amount, just enough to restore balance without causing sleep interruptions. Electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, and sodium help keep fluid inside the muscle cells, improving overnight circulation and preventing cramps. If plain water feels heavy at night, try coconut water or a light electrolyte drink. For seniors, this single adjustment can transform mornings. Instead of waking up stiff and unsteady, muscles feel nourished and ready to move. Going to bed hydrated is one of the easiest ways to protect your legs from silent overnight decline. Second, let's talk about late-night sugary snacks. Cookies, chocolate, sweetened cereals, or even fruit juices might feel like small treats before bed. But for seniors, this habit can silently weaken leg strength every single night. It's not just about empty calories, it's about how sugar disrupts your body's ability to repair muscle while you sleep. What exactly happens when you eat sugar before bed? Blood sugar levels rise quickly, and insulin surges to bring them back down. This sudden rise in insulin interferes with the natural release of growth hormone, the critical hormone that drives overnight muscle repair. Without enough growth hormone, muscle fibers don't heal properly, connective tissue doesn't recover, and legs wake up feeling stiffer, weaker, and more prone to cramps. Why is this problem worse for seniors compared to younger adults? As we age, our metabolism slows and insulin sensitivity declines. This means sugar spikes hit harder and take longer to settle, leaving less time for growth hormone to do its work. Over time, this repeated pattern can accelerate sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, making legs feel heavy, unsteady, and less responsive. Can sugar before bed also affect circulation? Yes. High nighttime blood sugar stiffens small blood vessels, especially in the legs. This reduces oxygen delivery to muscle fibers and increases the risk of cramping, tingling, or restless legs at night. Seniors often notice waking up with pins and needles or morning heaviness, which is tied directly to impaired circulation from elevated glucose. Does this habit interfere with sleep itself? Absolutely. Sugar late at night raises cortisol, the stress hormone, making it harder to reach deep, restorative sleep stages. Since most muscle repair occurs during deep sleep, poor sleep quality means even less recovery for tired leg muscles. Many seniors who snack on sweets before bed report restless nights, frequent wake-ups, and morning fatigue, all of which compound the problem of weak legs. What about common senior health conditions? Does sugar at night make them worse? For seniors managing diabetes, prediabetes, or high blood pressure, late-night sugar is especially harmful. It causes blood sugar fluctuations that strain the pancreas, raises triglycerides, and worsens fluid retention. For those with neuropathy or circulation problems, sugar spikes increase nerve irritation, leading to more cramps, numbness, or burning in the legs overnight. So, what happens when seniors avoid sugar before bed? Research shows that steady nighttime blood sugar allows growth hormone to peak naturally, triggering protein synthesis, muscle fiber repair, and improved collagen production in connective tissue. Seniors often report fewer leg cramps, stronger morning energy, and steadier balance simply by cutting out sweets at night. The body finally gets the chance to restore strength instead of fighting sugar swings. What are better snack options for the evening? Instead of sugary foods, seniors should choose protein-rich or calming alternatives. A small serving of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or even a boiled egg provides amino acids for muscle repair without disrupting growth hormone. Herbal teas like chamomile, lemon balm, or peppermint relax the body, calm digestion, and prepare the mind for deeper sleep. Pairing protein with herbal tea creates the perfect nighttime environment for muscle recovery. Can natural alternatives like fruit still be a problem? While fruit is healthier than processed sweets, eating too much fruit sugar, fructose, late at night can still block growth hormone release. Fruits with high sugar content like mangoes or grapes should be avoided close to bedtime. If you want something sweet, choose lower sugar options like berries, which contain fiber and antioxidants that support circulation without spiking blood sugar. Are seniors more likely to feel the effects quickly when they change this habit? Yes. Many older adults who remove sugar before bed notice improvements within just 1 to 2 weeks. Muscles feel stronger in the morning, cramps reduce in frequency, and balance improves. The difference can be dramatic because the body finally gets uninterrupted repair time during sleep. How can seniors set themselves up for success with this habit? First, plan the last meal of the day to include some protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This helps reduce nighttime cravings for sugar. Second, keep tempting sweets out of the bedroom or kitchen at night. Finally, replace the ritual of a sweet snack with something soothing, like warm herbal tea or a handful of nuts. Creating a new bedtime routine makes it easier to sustain long-term. For seniors, avoiding sugary snacks at night is one of the most powerful ways to protect leg strength. By allowing growth hormone to do its job, you give your muscles the repair they desperately need. Instead of waking up weaker and stiffer, you wake up stronger, steadier, and ready to move with confidence. Third, let's talk about something most seniors never think about: sleeping in the wrong position. While it may feel comfortable to curl up with your legs bent or twisted, this simple habit can quietly reduce circulation, strain veins, and leave you waking up with stiff, weak legs in the morning. Over time, poor sleeping posture can rob your muscles of the oxygen and nutrients they need for overnight repair. Why does leg position during sleep matter so much? When legs are bent or pressed against each other, major veins in the thighs and calves can become compressed. This slows down the return of blood to the heart, causing blood to pool in the legs. As a result, muscles don't receive the same fresh oxygen supply, and waste products like lactic acid build up overnight. By morning, this leaves the legs feeling heavy, tired, or even numb. Can the wrong sleeping position really cause cramps? Yes. Restricted circulation reduces the delivery of electrolytes like magnesium and potassium to muscle fibers. These electrolytes are essential for smooth muscle contraction and relaxation. When supply is interrupted, nerves misfire, and muscles become more prone to painful cramps or spasms, especially in the calves and feet. Seniors often describe waking up suddenly in the middle of the night with sharp leg cramps that trace back to circulation problems from posture. Does this also affect joint health? Absolutely. Sleeping with legs tightly bent for hours can cause stiffness in the knees and hips. For seniors already dealing with arthritis or reduced cartilage, this stiffness becomes even more pronounced. Poor positioning also pulls on tendons and ligaments, leading to morning soreness and reduced mobility. Over time, the habit of sleeping curled or twisted can accelerate joint pain, making it harder to walk comfortably in the morning. Why is this issue more serious for seniors? As we age, blood vessels naturally lose some elasticity, making them more vulnerable to compression. Muscle mass also declines, reducing the pumping action that normally helps push blood back to the heart. Seniors with conditions like varicose veins, peripheral artery disease, or diabetes are especially sensitive to poor circulation. A bad sleeping position compounds these risks, creating a cycle of nighttime strain and daytime weakness. What are the signs that poor sleeping posture is affecting your legs? Common symptoms include waking up with tingling, numbness, or pins and needles in the legs. Some seniors notice swelling in the ankles or calves by morning, or a heavy, dragging sensation when first standing up. Others feel their legs need a few minutes of stretching before they can move freely, which is a direct result of circulation being cut off overnight. So, what can you do to fix this habit? The simplest solution is to sleep with your legs slightly elevated. Placing a small pillow under the calves or feet helps keep veins open and supports blood return to the heart. For those who prefer side sleeping, placing a pillow between the knees prevents pressure on blood vessels and reduces strain on the hips. Back sleepers can use a wedge pillow to gently lift the legs and keep circulation flowing. Are there other tips to prevent overnight circulation problems? Yes. Wearing loose, breathable clothing instead of tight socks or pajamas prevents extra restriction around the legs. Avoiding crossing the legs while lying down also helps veins stay open. Seniors who spend long hours sitting during the day may benefit from light stretching before bed to promote blood flow. Even a short walk in the evening can prepare the legs for better overnight circulation. Can improving sleep position also reduce morning stiffness? Definitely. When blood flow improves overnight, joints are bathed in fresh fluid that keeps cartilage lubricated. Muscles repair more efficiently, nerves function smoothly, and the body wakes up ready to move. Seniors who adjust their sleeping posture often report fewer cramps, less stiffness, and stronger legs when they get out of bed. How long does it take to see results? Many people notice a difference within a week of changing sleep position. Reduced cramps, lighter legs in the morning, and more stable balance are common early improvements. Over time, maintaining proper posture not only supports stronger legs, but also helps protect long-term vein health and joint mobility. For seniors, correcting sleep position may be one of the easiest yet most powerful changes for protecting leg strength. By ensuring healthy circulation through the night, you give your muscles the oxygen, nutrients, and repair time they need. Instead of waking up with weakness or stiffness, you can start the day feeling stronger, steadier, and more energized. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps us share more health-boosting tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these night habits surprised you the most, or share any strategies that have worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest insights to keep your legs strong and healthy.